Join me as I dive into the world of Bbai stock and challenge myself to determine if it's a smart investment right now. Bbai stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. As a potential investor, you're probably wondering if it's worth adding to your portfolio. With the current market trends and economic conditions, it's essential to take a closer look at Bai's performance and prospects. One of the significant challenges facing Bbai is the increasing competition in its industry. Several new players have entered the market, and existing ones are expanding their offerings, making it harder for Bbai to stand out. Additionally, the current economic conditions have led to a decline in consumer spending, affecting Bai's revenue. The company's recent performance trends have also been underwhelming, with a decline in stock price over the past quarter. Furthermore, Bai's struggles to adapt to the changing market landscape have raised concerns among investors. To get a better understanding of Bai's potential, let's take a closer look at its business model. The company has been focusing on innovation, investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. Recent news has been positive, with the company announcing several new partnerships and product launches. Bai's financial health also seems stable, with a solid balance sheet and a manageable debt-to-equity ratio. Its market position is also strong, with a loyal customer base and a reputable brand. When it comes to determining if Bbai stock is undervalued or overvalued, there are several factors to consider. The company's current price-to-earnings ratio is lower than its industry average, which might indicate that it's undervalued. However, the stock's recent performance trends and the competitive landscape raise concerns about its future growth prospects. Another key factor to consider is the company's management team, which has a proven track record of making strategic decisions. Lastly, the overall market conditions and economic outlook will also play a crucial role in determining Bai's future performance. In conclusion, Bbai stock presents a mixed bag of opportunities and challenges. We've discussed its competitive landscape, business model, and recent performance trends. Ultimately, whether Bbai stock is a good investment for you depends on your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. If you have any thoughts on Bbai stock or other investment opportunities, please share them in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about AI investments, be sure to check out my previous video, where we dive into the world of artificial intelligence and explore some exciting investment opportunities.